Previously on the Gogetyours review channel, we have had the pleasure of reviewing the basic Tanix W2A Android TV box. Yes, it certainly wasn't a bad standard smart TV box. The link for that video should be showing in the right hand corner just now, but don't be going anywhere because it will be at the end of this video too. But today, we are back with the Tanix TX2. Quite simply, it's a mini 2GB RAM, 16GB ROM Android TV box, and just like the W2, well, the design, it's nothing really to write home about, no. It's quite basic, it is quite plain. It comes with this matte black exterior with some glossy accents, with that bold Tanix logo embedded to the top. To the left we have our usual TF memory card slot, two USB 2.0 ports, so yes, you can indeed plug in a wireless mouse, a wireless keyboard, or in fact a USB memory stick. To the rear we have an AV out, a LAN port, and here we've got an HDMI port, which we're quickly going to go ahead, grab that short HDMI cable that's included within the package, connect it, and we're also going to go ahead, grab that power adapter included too, and connect it to that power port to the rear. Yep, we do get a very simple user guide included, as well as a typical slimlined remote control that takes two AAA batteries. Nope, they're not included. And well, let's go ahead and let's give this Tanix TX2 a blast, yeah. Okay, now it's powered up. Once we get past that startup logo and the initial short setup, we come to our usual Tanix menu layout. It seems very swift to navigate around, a nice reaction using the remote control, and as we can see here, we've got the Alex US Lite edition that is indeed included. Although it will need to be set up by yourself in order to watch, you know, those snidey movies and TV box sets. Shh. Now, this Tanix TX2 Mini is running Android 12. It has that Allwinner H618 CPU. Again, this particular TV box has that 16GB ROM, but as we go through the settings, there doesn't seem to be any type of Bluetooth connectivity. Which is an absolute shame really. That is considering most times I like to use my wireless headphones and even further still connect a PS4 controller. Looks like that's not going to happen. Now when it comes to Netflix, it will work, don't get me wrong. It will not however update through the Google Play Store, but instead if you go over to the Apple Tide TV app, you'll be able to update it right from there. Unfortunately, again, nope. Now TV is not accessible on this TV box, and it looks like neither is Disney Plus. Damn it. But again, if we take a look at the Apple Tide TV app, most of the apps will be suitable and fully accessible on the Tanix TX2, and you will be pleased to know that Amazon Prime TV is fully working and movies are indeed swift to search and stream. Picture quality though, it's not too bad in HD and 2K formats. But if you're thinking about pushing 4K streaming content, well, the TX2 will definitely struggle. And that is even if you have super fast broadband. Okay, 4K content will indeed be okay, playing it off a USB memory stick for example. But if you're streaming say off YouTube, as you can see just here, it's real choppy. I basically stick to a 1080p HD setting. And with that setting, it will not only be stable, you shouldn't have any buffering issues whatsoever. Gameplay? Well, this is the tricky part, especially as a PS4 controller, which did work on that previously mentioned W2 TV box, well, it obviously will not work with the TX2. Again, no Bluetooth capabilities, and even though we went ahead and connected it via a power cable, it still didn't manage to work, and instead we did connect a wireless dongled keyboard and mouse combo in order to play some games, which, the controls, well, they're not the best. Don't get me wrong, the gameplay is not too bad when those graphics are set to medium settings, but again, gameplay is not going to break any barriers. But say for example, you want to do some type of internet browsing, you want to do some shopping, stuff like that. You know, check out the news, check out the weather, or you can open numerous amounts of tabs. The pages do open up fairly quick, there's only the ever so slightliest of delays, and when using the Geek benchmark, it's not surprising to see that the TX2, nope, it's not going to receive the best score. It is kinda low. But that obviously is to be expected with a 2GB RAM, 16GB ROM TV box. Nope, while gaming Fortnite and PUBG, don't even bother trying to even play them, because you won't even get past the main menu. Roadbox, however, is accessible, and all I would really finally say about this Tanix TX2 TV box is that if you want to simply update an existing old TV, then yes, this Android TV box will be a simple fix. But my advice, try and get one if you can, with 4GB of RAM. Quite simply, in 2024, this really should be a standard with Android TV boxes. I mean, for £26, that's around 32 in US dollars. Certainly not going to break the bank. But first, guys, a quick tip: you've got to personally weigh up what you actually want an Android TV box for. So for example, if you've got a projector, not actually got any Android capabilities, again, an old TV, you just want to stream some movies, then get one of these TV boxes just now, and Bob's your uncle. If you want some more intense games with high graphics, then you're going to have to fork out a bit more money. Get a 4 or 6GB RAM version and you won't have any issues. Well, you shouldn't do anyway. But you know what, if you want to check one of these out for yourself and see all the specifications, I've left a link to where you can actually buy one of these TV boxes from today in the video description down below. I'm not affiliated in any type of way, and you never know, if you've liked what you've seen within this video, well, why not? Yeah, go get yours. While you're in the video description, guys, it means so much if you please support this channel right now by going ahead and liking this video first, sharing wherever possible, and please guys, we need all of the support. Please subscribe just now. Very much appreciate it. Bearing in mind though to hit the bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all our new uploads. Now we're going to be back with some more amazing gadgets coming very soon. Stay tuned, guys. But if you want to go ahead and check that previously reviewed, the W2, where it's showing on screen just now, and I'll also leave another little video after this. It should be showing. Here it is, look, there it is. As usual, guys, thank you all for the support in the past year, and I'll see you on our very next video. Peace!